Hi, I'm Dr. Sokola, and I'm excited to talk to you about Invisalign, a modern and discreet way to straighten your teeth. Invisalign uses a series of clear, removable aligners to gradually shift your teeth into their ideal position, all while being nearly invisible. The process begins with a consultation, where we'll evaluate your smile and create a customized treatment plan just for you. Using advanced technology, we'll design aligners that fit comfortably and are tailored to your unique needs. One of the biggest advantages of Invisalign is the flexibility it offers. The aligners are removable, which means you can continue to enjoy your favorite foods and maintain your regular brushing and flossing routine without any hassle. One of the major benefits of completing your Invisalign treatment with our office is our advanced dental monitoring system. This technology makes your Invisalign journey more convenient than ever. With dental monitoring, you can take progress photos right from the comfort of your home and submit them to us through a user-friendly app. This allows us to keep track of your treatment without requiring you to come in for frequent appointments. We'll review your photos, monitor your progress, and provide personalized feedback through the app. If adjustments or changes are needed, we'll guide you every step of the way. This innovative approach saves you time while still providing the close oversight you need for a successful Invisalign treatment. It's just one more way we're committed to making your care as seamless and convenient as possible. If you're interested in learning more or finding out if Invisalign is right for you, give us a call or ask about it during your next visit. We would love to help you take the first step toward your dream smile.